Hello friends, my name is Sumesh Chadda. I'm from Radiant Toyota Ludhiana. I want to tell you something about OSP machines from Mirka. This happened last year when I was in Germany at the Auto Mechanica in Frankfurt, and I visited their stall and I saw these machines which were looking very nice and environment friendly and dust free kind of machines, and they had given us a demo there, and we saw the demo for about 45 minutes, and we decided to buy these machines for our workshop in Ludhiana and Bathinda for Toyota dealerships, and we had requested them to bring them to India, and I was the I'm the first buyer for these machines in India, which we are using for last almost say about 8 9 months, and our boys are very happy that they have felt that these machines are giving very nice output. This is dust free, environment friendly, non pollution. My workshop, my body paint shop looks like just like a AC workshop where there is no dust at all. And with this, our people, our boys, our mechanics who are working there, they just share with me that our lives have increased by 5 to 7 years with these machines, and moreover it is more efficient. They are more efficient machines, so that our efficiency in the workshop has gone up tremendously. The output is coming up very nicely, and I must say that Mirka has made up these machines for which are very user friendly, very handy. Any mechanic can use it. It's very easy to handle and very efficient in working. Our output in the workshop has gone up. We take a car one day and we deliver it in the same day if there's a small job to be carried on doors or the fenders, and it is very fast. And in our industry, it is always there that customer is always first, and customer should always be preferred, and customer satisfaction is there. So before going to the customer satisfaction, I would like to add on here that my people, my employees are satisfied with these machines, working on these machines, and that is how they will make my customer satisfied. I'm very thankful to the Mirka team. After sales service they are providing us at our doorstep. Thank you very much, and wish you all the very best.